Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's lesson, we are going to work on the concepts called real depth and apparent depth. In the case of real depth and apparent depth, let me introduce you the basic of it. Here, there is a water tank. There is a fish inside this water tank, right? There is a boy staying outside the water tank and sees the fish. In that case, the real fish, really the fish is down here. Okay, really the fish is down here. That is the real fish. But to the boy, it appears little above what's its original level. So this is going to be the image. Okay, so the boy, okay, hope all of you will agree. The boy is it's situated in air. That means he is in a rare medium. He is in a rare medium, and the fish is in the water. So fish is in the denser medium. So if you observe something inside a denser medium staying in the rarer medium, it will appear in a position above its original level. So this is going to be rarer medium. The bow is situated in the rarer medium. Very important. The bow is situated in the rarer medium. Water being the denser medium. Right? Water being the denser medium. So the overall idea here is if you stay in the rare medium and see something inside the denser medium, that object will appear to you little above its original level. This phenomenon is due to the refraction of light, right? You can see the light travels, refracts away from the normal. That gives the image fish there. The depth from the free surface. So here it is the free surface. Okay, we get the, okay, you can call it interface. You can call it interface. Free surface is the interface. The depth from the interface is the, okay, there are two depths there. The depth to the real fish is the real depth. The depth to the apparent fish or the image fish is the apparent depth. So overall, you have to draw this one, right? So what are the ideas? If you observe an object inside a denser medium by staying in the rarer medium, that object will appear little above than its original position. Okay, accordingly, it creates an image there. So there are two depths we can calculate here from the interface. The depth to the real object from the interface is the real depth. The depth to the image is called the apparent depth. Okay, fine. So after drawing this, you are going to write a note that when an object located inside the denser medium is observed from a rarer medium, it will appear shallower than its original depth. Right. This is what's happening. So there are two depths we are speaking. Real depth we speak. What is real depth? Depth from interface to original object. What is apparent depth? Depth from interface to the image object. Remember, you cannot see the real depth and apparent depth together. You will, when you will see the apparent depth only. If you know the real depth, you can work out it. So this is the background behind the real depth and apparent depth. So if you go for the refractive index of denser medium, you can calculate it here. Okay, refractive index of the medium where the object is situated, you can calculate. Okay, refractive index of the medium where the object is situated can be calculated here. So that is refractive index equals to real depth over apparent depth. So in exam papers, there are many questions based on this application. There are many applications based on this application. Refractive index equal to real depth divided by apparent depth. So in today's work, this is what you are going to complete. I will point out, inshallah, what are the exam questions based on this. You can do those past paper questions and send it to me. Okay, you draw the diagram, write the note, complete the work. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.